Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we'll discuss how to import NetSuite inventory adjustment. Importing inventory adjustments via CSV in NetSuite lets you update inventory quantities and values in bulk. First, prepare your CSV file. Include the following required columns: date, subsidiary, reference number, adjustment account, item name, internal ID, location, adjust quantity by unit cost. Here's a sample item record. As you can see, it currently has no quantity on hand. Let's now go to Import Assistant, navigate to Setup, Import Export, Import CSV Records. Select Transactions as the import type. Select Inventory Adjustment as the record type. Click Select to upload your CSV file. Select Add and click Next. Next, map your fields. Map your CSV columns to NetSuite fields. Make sure all fields are mapped accordingly. Add an import map name to save your mapping as an import map for future imports. Click Save and Run. A job status link will appear. Click it to track the progress. The import was completed successfully. Let's open the item record to verify the changes. The item now shows 10 quantities available. And that's how to import NetSuite inventory adjustment. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.